Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bartender Hideout. As you can see, we're well on our way already with our new studio. I guess I'm going to call it a studio or our new bar, whatever you want. As a new content creator, I didn't initially see the possibility we had to make a video. So I guess that's why we're starting now. So that's why you maybe don't have the initial view of where we started. But I'm going to try to keep you up to date to see where all of this, how we got here, and how we're gonna get to the end result. And obviously you guys are gonna see the end results as well. So yeah, have fun with this video.
Hey guys, this is Koen from the future taking over for Koen from the past. As you can see, we're just really getting along on this bar, and we try to keep it as cheap as possible. We just had a lot of wine cases from my friend, and we really just, the only thing we really bought was the big sheets that you can see right now. But apart from that, and mainly actually the decoration part was probably one of the more expensive parts of the bar. But we really enjoyed doing this little project and making this bar look as good as possible. Obviously over time we're going to be doing some stuff to it, but for now I think it's a good baseline of where we want to be, and yeah, you'll see some changes over time. But for now I think as far as it goes for a studio, I think it's a good start.
So this is it, guys. The end result. As you can see, we have our celebratory beers ready here. Yeah, we've been going on with this for a couple of weeks now, on and off between our normal job, working on this. I think, yeah, we are both really happy with the end result. And this is basically our new studio. As you can see in the time lapse, yeah, we had a lot of fun. We also had a lot of wines and beers in the meantime while making this, as a true bartender should. But from now on, you're going to be seeing probably both videos from the bar that we normally shoot at and videos from here. We will be shooting some holiday specials as like a little sneak peek to you guys. So yeah, but besides that, I hope you guys enjoy the new studio. We've been working hard on it. Luckily, I haven't been spending too much money on it. If you guys want a breakdown of what this bar actually cost us to make sure to drop that in the comments as well, because I can do like a breakdown for you guys to give you an idea of that. And apart from that, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at the next video. See you guys.